Dearest friends, the season has officially begun. After much whispered anticipation, it is my distinct honor to finally unveil the Regency Romance Collection. From the first stroke of a watercolor rose to the final flourish of a hidden love letter, every page has been curated to transport you straight into the heart of a Rosewood Manor ballroom. Shall we take a look at the treasures that await? Now do take note, for our social calendar is quite full. The Manor gates open for a new creative session twice a week, every Tuesday and Friday. If you choose to accompany me on this promenade, I promise you this: by the time our session concludes, you shall not just have a stack of papers, but a fully completed heirloom journal in your hands. To ensure no one loses their way, I have curated all our future lessons into a single playlist. Think of it as your personal map through the manor, allowing you to return to any chapter with ease. So do be sure to subscribe and ring the little bell. It is, after all, the only way to ensure the footman alerts you the very moment our next chapter arrives. A wax seal is broken, a quill is set aside, and the quiet halls of the manor are suddenly filled with the electric hum of anticipation. An invitation has arrived, and with it, the promise of a season that will change everything. Morning light spills across the dressing table, catching the gleam of pearls and the shimmer of silk ribbons. But a lady cannot simply appear at the manor, she must be crafted. We find ourselves amidst the delightful chaos of the modiste shop, a sanctuary of lace bonnets and the soft scent of buttercream silk. The choice is made, a gown of primrose that seems to hold the very spirit of the season. As the sun dips low, the cobblestones echo with the approach of the carriage. Lanterns glow like fallen stars, and we are whisked away into the cool evening air. From afar, we can see a glimpse of the prestigious manor. The manor doors swing wide to a world of gold and cream. In the foyer, there's a flurry of bows and the soft rustle of curtsies. The subtle dance before the actual dance. Then the music swells. Under the crystal fire of the chandeliers, the world becomes a blur of pastel gowns and waltzing shadows. But the season is not won in the ballroom alone. It is found in the quiet notes of a song played at the pianoforte, and in the dappled light of the garden promenade, where parasols shield more than just the sun. Over tea in the conservatory, amidst the ferns and orchids, the most delicate alliances are formed. A whispered word in a quiet corner can hold more weight than 1,000 public declarations. Even a rainy afternoon spent in the drawing room, book in hand, offers a moment of reflection. Then we are led back to the garden, under the arch of a rose trellis, where a bended knee and a sunset glow turn a season's flirtation into a lifetime's promise. A portrait is painted, a legacy etched in watercolor, and the manor settles into a peaceful twilight. We end our journey where the water is still, reflecting a sky and a heart that is finally, beautifully, at love's peace. So, my dear elegant crafters, this is the journal pages set, and now let's look at our background pages that will come with your Regency Romance kit. So in your background pages, you will see an invitation to the ball, and it comes also with the background, this aged paper. And we will work with that, of course, as we go through our crafting journey. And then we'll have these beautiful background pages that are all reflecting the elegance of the Regency season. So these are some more of the easier background pages, and to make sure that all of the journal pages have a background, I repeated this one here. And then we have some beautiful flower and lace. Oh, and we have this beautiful wallpaper design, some script and flowers, and also some music sheets, some sheet music with some flowers. And here we have some more ephemera in the background and flowers. And of course, the ball gowns. And some more brocade on the outside. The chandeliers, of course. And some conservatory images. Can't go without a fan, of course. And of course, a parasol is essential for our promenade. And here are some more images for the conservatory. And some more lacy fans and with flowers. Some more background here. Some more of the wallpaper. And I have also printed out some of the elegant lined pages for this journal that we will put together, just so we have some lined papers, and you can find them now at Etsy store, of course, as well. And I have printed some background pages on that, but this is also a very beautiful little set. This is just a part of it, but I thought they will go well with this particular journal, just to complete the signatures. So all in all, there are 24 pages of the journal pages and 24 background pages, and that includes the invitation to the Rosewood Manor ball with the background here as well. And included in your journal kit are the vertical background pages. Sometimes you need this format. It depends on how you wish to complete your cover at the end, for example. Sometimes we like to print out 2 vertical pages and create the journal cover this way. But also, these are great pages for different little projects that we will have coming up in this season of this journal. And I just wanted to show them to you because they look slightly different than the vertical pages, so simply so that the format still fits. So these are the vertical pages, and so they are extended and they have different other decorations I added to it so that it fits well, but also they can be used in many different ways. So the script page with the flowers looks different. I extended that. And also here the sheet music looks different, so we can also create envelopes with them or different pocket projects. You'll see what comes up. And also this one with the ephemera here has different designs, and we will be able to make maybe some belly bands Oh, and I just love this image so much. This one turned out so pretty. I really love it. So this is all part of your journal kit, of course. Here we have the brocade, and that it turned out really pretty as well. And our hand fan. I love that. I printed all of these pages with the background page that comes in the horizontal kit. I do believe it also is actually part of the vertical kit as well. But all of them have this so that whatever project we will do later on, it is finished with a nice background. We have the chandeliers, and we added some more flowers to it. It's a little glimpse of the ball. The conservatory image here. Oh, and the parasols. I added a little bit of a decorative border here. And here we have another botanical image. And more hand lacy fans. Oh, I just love it so much. And then we have this here, and this can be used as some sort of a picture frame, or the creative juices are already flowing. And this here is another of the background pages that I thought might be interesting to do. We might have a nice project coming up with this one. And then a more plain background, which is ideal for projects, and this one as well. And this one, of course, the delicate flowers. Oh, I love them so much. And then we have a little part of it's like a silk fabric that is draped on a table. And here you have the little wrinkles, so I added that to that. So these are the vertical background pages that will come in handy. I printed them out on cardstock, so that way we'll have a little bit more freedom in what we want to create in our projects. And of course, with all good journal kits, we'll have some fuzzy cuts. I had so much fun making these. So we have some parasols and gloves and fans and of course we have some flowers as well, and dresses, parasols. I wanted to make sure to include little dress images as well in our fuzzy cuts. So you can either put them in your Cricut or Scan and Cut, or in the evenings when you watch TV, you can cut them out. And what I did with these fuzzy cuts as well, look at the hydrangea, it's so pretty. And we have some birds. Birds were big, of course, at that time, in that era. Chandeliers, and I have some earrings even here, and candles. And then more dresses, of course, some ephemera pieces here. Shoes. This turned out so pretty. Now, some of these images have been grouped together or bundled together, and you can use them then as tucks or different projects that you want to do with that. And here another beautiful gown, and again a couple larger fuzzy cuts so that you can tuck things in. This pink turned out so beautifully. And again, like I said, when you begin to cut them out, for example, this one here can create a very pretty belly band or different cluster, but then you have also the individual dress. More dresses, little glass houses here. So you will get 16 pages of the fuzzy cut pages. Next is our add-on kit number 1, and here we will have some pockets in the same pretty design. Now I have printed this on all of these pages, so just so that there is something in the back, because we'll have some envelopes coming up, so that will be nice. So we'll have some of the neat little triangular pockets, but then we have also these nice waterfall pockets in this very pretty delicate flower design. And here we have our first envelope, and like I said, here we have this printed in the back, so when you open the envelope it looks really pretty. Another very beautiful envelope in pink, and a couple more envelopes here with this nice ballroom theme, and more fans, of course. Here are our surprise envelopes with this beautiful wallpaper design that I created, and some more envelopes here with the carriage. Of course, I had to use this image for an envelope. It is just so pretty. And here we have some ephemera cards, and they can be used easily, and of course these pretty images as well. And some more cards or pockets. So I printed them this way so that I designed them that way so that they can be used either as a card or as a pocket or for different projects. And here we have more ephemera. So this here can be used for the journal cover if we wish, this or this. And we have different ephemera cards here and here. The parasols and the fans, I just love them. And here are some more ephemera cards that we can use in our journal. And this here is add-on kit number 2. And that kit has all the large tags that we will be using in our project. Some large tags here. And I printed the lined pages so that it's a little bit of a journaling card because they are so large. And gosh, you can never have enough of these. And they are so pretty here with the dress again, with the chandeliers and the flowers. And here we have some more pockets with this beautiful damask design. And here we have some more waterfall pockets as well. And some tabs. Can't have a kit without tabs, so that is going to be very useful. And some more journaling tags and cards, perhaps. They all have the lined paper here. And some more journaling cards. Some more of these beautiful little ephemera pieces as well. And of course we have some pretty postcards here in this add-on kit number 2 as well. If you find your own fingers itching to record a story of lace and romance, you will find the entire Regency Romance Collection awaiting in our Etsy boutique. It is ready to be printed and tucked into the secret corners of your own journals. Before you depart the grounds today, do let me know in the comments which page of our debut captured your heart. I shall be reading every note with the greatest interest. And a small word of advice: ensure your glue and cardstock are ready for our next meeting on Tuesday. I have prepared a special complimentary gift for you, a floating pocket designed to hold the season's most scandalous calling cards. You won't want to miss the tutorial on how to nestle it perfectly into your signatures. Until our next crafting session, my dears, keep your quills sharp, your lace delicate, and your hearts open to the romance of the season. I shall see you in the next creative endeavor.